When I was typing up these notes, I had some reason for putting compound inequality here. And now I don't really remember what I was going to say about it. So compound inequality, I'm not sure this is it, but it's two inequalities in one. So it's like a Twix candy bar or something. Two. But really, when I was typing these up, I think I had something more brilliant than that. Ands. So if I join two inequalities together with an and, I'm going to get something that looks like this. And it's called a conjunction. Or it's going to look like this, and it's called a disjunction. All right. So what we're looking at is we're looking at two inequalities, and then we're going to squish them together, hopefully into one. So let's start with this guy right here. Ignore the, just look at this piece of it right here. -2 going that way. Well, I want numbers, this line here tells me that I want numbers that are bigger than -2. So I want x is greater than or equal to -2. Looking at this one, this tells me that I want numbers that are less than 0. Well, x is less than or equal to 0. These join together with an and. X is greater than -2 and x is less than 0. Now I can squish this together even more by doing this. Ready? Take this guy and I'm going to flop it over so the x's are right next to each other. -2, the mouth still wants to eat the x. Right? Just flopping it over. Well, -2 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 0. Now I'm going to mush it together even more into 1x. So -2, x, 0. Notice that these are less than or equal to's, and they match up with the circle types. Circle types. Circle types. Open, closed. Closed. Let's do another one. What's this guy? This is x is less than 6 or x is greater than 7. Now, or statements, there is no way to squish these together. Look what happens if I try. Let's flop that over. 6. And the inequality is still eating the 6. Okay, you ready? Let's mush it together. 6 is greater than x, which is greater than 7. Does this make any sense? 6 is greater than x, and x is greater than 7. So it doesn't make sense. This doesn't work. Bad. Ors can never squish together all the way. Ands can squish together all the way. Ors are called disjunctions. Ands are called conjunctions. I picked a great weekend to make videos, but what are you going to do? I'm pretty sure I don't have the West Nile virus. I don't know what I do have, though. Hopefully it's not the Ebola. That's going around right now. Well, not in California, but in Africa. Yes. So is this video even going to be relevant in 2 years when, I don't know, the Ebola thing has gone away? Or is Ebola still going to be around? You ever read the book Hot Zone? Interesting book. All right.